Now, that is famous, is it not, for being one of the shortest cars in the world?
No. Incredibly long.
Yes, one of the longest cars in the world. Are you sure about this?
No, not really, no. But look at it this way, ladies and gentlemen. Either you are about to witness the birth of an exciting new sport, or watch a man be run over by a Dodge Viper. Either way, it's a memory you can take home and cherish. Just before we do this, one important note. I have been asked by Paul to ask you for complete silence whilst he does this. He needs to concentrate and get the timing just right because it is immensely dangerous. So let's have complete silence, please.
A very, very good point, Mr. Hammond. Are you ready to be quiet, Prague?
Yeah!
Are you sure? You're going to be quiet? I can't really hear you.
Thanks for your help with that, James May. Right, we are, I think, ready to do this. The Dodge Viper has reversed out of the arena to pick up enough speed by the time it arrives for what will hopefully be a successful jump. Are you ready? You're ready? Okay. In 3, 2, 1, begin.
But now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm very sorry to have to tell you